Hello and welcome to another episode of Quick Cuts. I'm Josh with USCutter, and today we've got a short video here to show some of our new users some tips and tricks with your heat press. If you are still thinking about purchasing a heat press, then be sure to check out my other video showing you several of our other heat presses and how they work. A lot of good information in that video. So let's get right to the heat presses. First and foremost, I always want to put down a non-stick sheet or parchment paper over the top of your transfer so that the transfer never makes direct contact with the platen. This will prevent your machine from getting anything on it, and it'll keep the top plate nice and clean. If you were to do your finishing press without this, you'd melt the HTV to your top platen. This is a must-have if you plan on getting into heat transfer vinyl, laser transfer, or sublimation. Even Caesar Joe approves of these.
That's right.
We receive weekly emails from customers that are having issues pressing clothing that has a button, collar, or pocket, or even something that doesn't allow for even contact with the platen. For this, we have pressing pillows. These are small pillows that come sealed in anti-stick material that you can slide inside of clothing when pressing. They come in multiple sizes and you can do all types of things with them. Press around buttons, collars, pockets, and even use the smaller ones for sleeves, logos, or pant legs. They even work with HTV, sublimation, and laser transfer papers, so pretty much everything is covered. These are a must-have if you plan on getting into heat transfer vinyl. Next, I'm going to show you a nice little trick for weeding heat transfer vinyl, especially if you have something with a lot of fine details. This one is pretty easy to do. You just want to heat up the bottom platen and then weed your material on top of that. The added heat makes the HTV much easier to weed, and this can be a big help if you're doing some of the more intricate work or weeding some thicker material. If you purchased one of our economy class heat presses, then the bottom mat can actually be removed and make it much easier for you to put your materials on and weed. Well, that's going to be about it for today's video. Be sure to check out the other videos in the Quick Cut series if you're just getting started using a cutter and a heat press. If you have questions about any of the products before making your purchase, please contact our sales team at sales@uscutter.com. And every single item that we sell comes with lifetime customer support for no additional cost. And you can reach our support agents at support@uscutter.com. Caesar has also been releasing new products like crazy this year, so why not check out some of the other videos that I did on those. I also explained the difference between 3 glitters that they have in this video here. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and have yourself a wonderful day. Take care. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like and all that stuff. Thanks.